Hi friends, welcome once again to Human Gardeners Varanta Talks. Today I'm going to share a story with you which is called the Missing Pony Story. Yes, there was a lady who had two boy children, almost the same age. They were around 5 to 6 years old. But interestingly, both had totally different characters and personalities. One was always complaining, whining, never happy with what he has, and the other was just the opposite, who was always happy, satisfied with whatever he is having, and never had any problem with whatever he is given with. So the lady was worried about the one child who is always complaining, and she decided to consult a doctor and see whether there is any treatment for this problem. So she went and met a doctor. Doctor heard her in detail, and he said, before we go into any kind of a treatment, let us do a small kind of an experiment. So what he did is he made a beautiful room with yellow vibrant color, lot of toys in it. He kept some chocolates in that, had a beautiful bed with a yellow cover on it, and everything a child will be happy about. And he asked the boy who is always complaining to spend a few hours in that room. And he took the other child to a separate place. It was an empty horse stable. It was dirty and full of horse dung, and there was nothing much there in that room. So he left that child there, and both of them came back. After 4 5 hours, the doctor said, let us go and have a look at how the children are doing. They first went to the child who is always complaining. And the mother was feeling that, okay, at least now he will be happy because he is put into a very beautiful room after all. When she opened the door, he was lying on the bed. And when she went and asked, child, how did you like your stay in this room? He said, okay, mom, it was fine. But then you know that I don't like this yellow color at all. And just look at the chocolates which you have kept for me. They are not my favorite. And many of the toys which you have kept, I was not interested in playing at all. And he still had a long list of complaints about that room. So the lady was more worried. She thought, I have put him into one of the best possible rooms, and still he has got a lot of complaint. So what about the other child? I have put him into an empty, dirty stable. What will happen to him? So she rushed to that room. And when she opened the door, the child was sitting in a corner and digging the mud with a small stick in his hand. And she was surprised what he's doing. So she asked, what are you doing, son? So he said, I am trying to dig a hole here. So she asked, but why? Why are you trying to dig a hole here? And he said, I feel there is somewhere a pony, and this pony is missing, and I am trying to find him. So the lady asked, a pony in this stable? The boy said, yes, look around, mom. There is a lot of horse dung here. But then the stable is empty. So there has to be a pony somewhere around. Maybe that pony is trying to play around with me. So I'm trying to dig and see whether the pony is hiding somewhere so that I can play with him once I find him. Friends, this is what happens to us in our life as well. We have two categories of people. One, always have a complaint, never happy with what they have in their life. And the other set, they are always happy, or even if they are not happy, they always try to find possibility or opportunity in whatever they have in their life. So again, it is our choice in which category we want to belong. Do we want to be always complaining even after having the best room available? Or are we going to be in that category which will keep digging for that missing pony? I hope you like this story. Meanwhile, I will keep digging for more such motivational stories and share with you. Thank you very much.